girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. Bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too.
The schedule busy, my head in a hoodie, my shorty a goodie, my cousins are crazy, my cousins like boogie. Life is amazing, it is what it should be. Been here for 10, but I feel like a rookie. I tell her look up, cause it's snowing in Tussies. Booked for 3 years, man, you can't even book me. It's me and Lil Baby, this shit going crazy. Weezy produced it, and Weezy had made me, and she held it down, so she got a Mercedes. Your money records, the Army, the Navy. It ran me 10,000, I threw it like Brady. The foreign is yellow like Tracy and Katie. I trusted my niggas, they never betray me. Met all these niggas, they sweeter than Sadie. When I started out, I just took what they gave me. Did all the favors, they never repay me. It worked in my favor, cause nobody saved me. Did all the favors, they never repay me. It worked in my favor, cause nobody saved me. Did all the favors, they never repay me. It worked in my favor, cause nobody saved me. Met all these niggas, they sweeter than Sadie. When I started out, I just took what they gave me.
Got no kids, tell them my clothes, no stops, please. Soon as I look, you can go. Then got M's in the bank like yes, indeed. Cartier glasses, I won't even Pikachu. Yellow Ferrari like Pikachu. I got him waiting and watching what he gon' do. Tryna pee what I do, tryna steal my move. 2,500 for a new pair of tennis shoes. The same place I can make them young come finish you. Know you being charged, you just like a crew. Real dope boy, 100,000 any people. President's attention, I buy when I see you. I been getting money, I ain't worried about what he do. I'm getting money like Coke on the agent. Man, Dre about to drop, man, this shit gon' go crazy. They know I'm the truth, I'm in straight from the basement. I'm straight as a squeak, man, I'm Coke from the pavement. $1 million, $100, these men gon' go crazy. Man, bitch on the bed. Brand new whip, got no keys. Tell them my clothes, no stops, please. Soon as I look, you can go. Then got M's in the bank like this, indeed. Me and my dog going off the way. They living like this, they supposed to have. Brand new whip, got no keys. Tell them my clothes, no stops, please. Soon as I look, you can go. Then got M's in the bank like this, indeed. Me and my dog going off the way. They living like this, they supposed to have.
Say baby, I demand you. If you were a star, you'd be the one I'm searching for. Other girls, they got attention, but I just always feel like they're in need of something. You got obvious, you're pretty. Heard that you're a student working weekends in the city. Trying to take you out, girl, hope you're not too busy. If there's nothing wrong, I'll this little song for you to get ready to put those fucking heels on and work it, girl. Let that mirror show you what you're doing. Put that dress on and work it, kinda vicious, like somebody's taking pictures. Shut it down, down, down. Shut it down, down, down. You be the baddest girl around. They noticed, would shut it down, down, down. Shut it down, down, down. You be the baddest girl around. They noticed, would shut it. These girls ain't got nothing on. Got nothing on you. You got nothing on you. Good luck. You the greatest. And if he say you ain't, girl, he's on his mind. To the finest. And if he say you ain't, that boy don't lost his mind. Every time you come around, sit down like computers. Step into my heart and put you into the times. Mr. J is idiot. Leave me out the comments, leave me out the nonsense. Speaking out of context, people need some content. Niggas trying to keep up, shit is not a contest. Whipping beds concept, heaven sent, God sent. At least that's what my mom says. Proof is in the progress, money's not an object. Busy than a motherfucker, you know how my job get. Barking up the wrong tree, you know how the dogs get. Haven't fallen off yet. Come with a classic, they come around years later and say it's a sleeper. The ears are rare, the petty is rare. I trust my ex for a feature. Deposit the money to Brenda Leticia, Belinda Felicia. She gave it me twice, I didn't even know for her once. You know I'm a pleaser. 42 millimeter was made in Geneva. Yeah, I probably should go to Yeshiva. We went to Ibiza. Yeah, I probably should go live with Yeezy. I need me some Jesus. As soon as I started confessing my sins, he wouldn't believe us. Sins, I got sins on my mind and some bills. Got a lot of M's on my mind and my friends. Yeah, I keep my friends on my mind. I'm in love with two girls at one time and they 10s. That's why I got 10 on my mind. I got M's. Got a lot of M's on my mind and my friends. Yeah, I keep my friends on my mind. Should repent. I need me some Jesus in my life. Amen.
From the phone, but I love me a bitch. He on my dick and she my little secret. Tryna dish me, know about people. I can't respond with just go with your people. If I got some rats on the bed, you can keep it. This shit getting deeper and deeper. I dig in my shit for one being. I would go ahead and fix it. A shark in the water, you swim with the love it. I hit the day by tomorrow, she miss it. I grab a neck, she look good, then I kiss it. I'm not a goat, but I fit the description. I like the boom, so I get the prescription. We walk around with them bears and I bitch it. This gun ain't gon' chill when I blow, I ain't missing. I'm dropping hit out the hit, I'm just chillin'. But I send the hit while I chill with my children. Bigger the business, the bigger the office. I fuck around and found me a strand and I call up. They poppin' my artist, they making me offers. I don't even bargain. I start from the bottom. I lost a Ferrari, Las Vegas, Nevada. I woke up the following day and went harder. I'm cracking my shit, now they see that I'm smarter. I gotta get money, I love to get charter. I gave with 4 burgers and 1 small startup. I can't let them down, walk around with my guard. I'm screaming out YOLO, yeah, that's still the motto. I know I be on some shit that they ain't thought of.
Sins, I got sins on my mind and some M's. Got a lot of M's on my mind and my friends. Yeah, I keep my friends on my mind. I'm in love with 2 girls at one time and they 10s. That's why I got 10 on my mind. I got M's. Got a lot of M's on my mind and my friends. Yeah, I keep my friends on my mind. Should repent. I need me some Jesus in my life. Amen.
Tell me if you still love it. It's 5 a.m. and I'm drunk right now. Tell me, can we still fuck? 101, I'm in the zone right now. Tell me, am I still? Telling you just how I feel right now. You say it's just the drugs, and I know. I lied to you way before I had you right this one. Then again, I could be drunk. Baby, I don't wanna sound righteous. I got 20 bitches sucking like license. I just any money roll a dice since I picked. She ain't even really my type, and out here she been losing herself to the night shift. She been losing herself, and I get it. Oh yeah, I get it. Yeah, and you been fighting for your shot, and you been searching for your spot. Girl, I feel it. Yeah, girl, I feel it. Yeah. Oh, you think you got your groove, but you want someone like you.
Hey, what's up everyone? It's Dom the Tastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today, you guys, I'm doing a review for YMY Hair. It's been a minute since I've worked with them, but I have worked with them before. I really do enjoy this company. This is definitely one of those like hidden gems, I would say, because like they're not as popular as some of the other brands, but I will say that they actually have some really good quality units on their site. And today I'm reviewing one of my personal new favorites. It is this beautiful water wave unit from them, and it is a 360 unit. I went ahead and I put it in like a half up, half down, just so you guys can see like how the hair looks pulled back and away from my face. And I did show you guys the parting space down the center. This would be considered like it is a 360, but it's 4 inches of space going back, and then of course the entire perimeter has lace on it. So if you want to, you can put this up in like a high ponytail, you can put it up in a bun. You definitely have a lot of styles you can get away with something like this. So if you're looking for like an investment unit, something that you can purchase and you can like and you can style it a lot of different ways. You're not just stuck with like a middle part or just a side part. Then this would definitely be something I would say to look into. And it's also very quick and easy to install. I love that about it. I really love this texture. I don't even have any water on this part of the hair. I didn't put any curl creams. I literally didn't have to do anything like that, and it just came out so perfect. I love how it looks. And you guys, this unit does come pre-plucked to perfection. It also has bleach knots, so if you don't know how to pluck your units, nor do you know how to like bleach the knots on a unit, then this is definitely the perfect beginner friendly unit for you. I love, 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 love this. I cannot stress that enough. Like, can you guys see like how natural it looks? It just looks so perfect. They did such a great job plucking it. So as far as the inches on this one, this is a 26 inch. I do have some of it up here in a ponytail, so it may look a little bit shorter than what it is, but this is a 26 inch. And also, as far as the density, I would say this is like 180% density to 200% density. It's like really full. And mind you, this is like without like running my fingers through it. This is like without running my fingers through it and everything like that. When you run your fingers through it, it'll actually look a lot thicker and fuller. So just keep that in mind. Right now I have it in a more tamed look. You know, I just like literally just flicked it up into like this half up, half down. But yeah, it has a nice tame look. But yeah, this is possibly around 180% to 200% density. I feel like it's the perfect density. It's not too thick, not too thin. It's just right for me personally. I don't like it when it's like this like too overwhelming, and I like that it's tamed. And I love, love, love this texture. Like, look how pretty this texture is right out of the box. Like, no curl creams, no water or anything was put on the hair except for like this very top half. And even when I was doing like my ponytail, you guys saw like I barely sprayed anything on there and just slicked that up real quick and boom, it was good and ready to go. So this is a win-win-win for me. I absolutely love it. I have no complaints whatsoever. Like, even if you don't want to do baby hairs, you don't have to, because look at how amazing it looks just there. And this does come with the pre-cut lace as well, but I did do like a bunch of really cute like baby hairs with it, and like I said, it's just plucked so well, so it looks really good even when you like slick it back and up into a ponytail. Like I said, this is definitely something that you can wear in a high ponytail. You can put all of the hair up, but I haven't done like a half up, half down in a while, and I thought it would look cute with like the little bow at the, you know, middle of the ponytail, and you have everything down. You can have it like off your shoulders if you don't want it like in the front, and just have everything like towards the back, and it's just really pretty. I love the quality of this hair, and mind you guys, this is literally straight out of the box, okay? I didn't wash the hair, I didn't have to do anything like that, and it's just literal perfection. I love, love, love this curl pattern. It's really amazing to me how they're like making these units just so ready to wear, and I think that's important for a lot of us who just live like a really fast lifestyle. If you're a mom and you don't have time to do your hair, if you're a student and you have to get up early for school, if you have to get up and go to work, if you're just like, if you just want something that you can just like wear and it's just like free for all, it doesn't take a lot of effort, this is definitely the unit for you. Now I will say, because of the curl pattern is a little bit on the tighter side, you need to make sure that you're on top of the maintenance with something like this. You don't want to just be like laying on it and not wearing a silk bonnet at night. I would highly recommend wearing silk bonnets anytime you're going to sleep. You don't want to just like sleep on your hair. You want to make sure you wrap it up and take care of it. And anytime you do decide to detangle your hair, make sure you always start off at the very ends of the hair. Start here and then comb your way up to the top. You never want to comb here and just go straight down. And I would also suggest doing that when the hair is soaking wet. You don't want to do it while it's dry, because it will cause more snapping, breakage, and shedding with your unit. When it's wet, it's just going to go through like butter, and that's just like the most important part, especially when it comes to this type of hair. I don't really use a lot of like curly hair products when it comes to my installs. I don't really feel like you need to do that. If the unit just isn't giving what you want it to give, and the quality of the hair just isn't that great, then I can see why you would want to add a bunch of product to it. But I feel like the less you do, the better it looks. I wouldn't suggest like getting a unit and then just starting to put a bunch of like curl creams on it, because you're gonna end up changing the entire integrity of the hair. It's not gonna look like how it looks right now. So that's just what I would say as far as that is concerned. But I do want to come up a little bit closer just so you guys can get a better look at the natural hairline that we have here. here. And of course I have to talk about one of the special features with this unit that I'm sure you guys noticed in the beginning. So here is a nice up close look at this unit, you guys. Look at how natural that looks. It's giving scalp, it's just giving bomb. Like, are you kidding me? And I didn't have to go too crazy with the baby hairs, but I did just do a little something, add a little 1-2 to it, and I love it. Now this unit, as you guys saw earlier, it has like these clear straps in it. Do not, and I repeat, do not cut those straps out, okay? Make sure you keep those in. That's actually how you adjust the unit. And I showed you guys before I put it on how to adjust it. You literally just like hold on to one part of the string, the very end of it, and then you pull that little circle part down to tighten it, and you do that on both sides. This unit does have 3 different straps in it, so you do get the clear straps that I showed you guys earlier, and those little clear strings, you just want to tuck them underneath just so that they don't show. The other thing is that this unit does have a comb in the back. It has the adjustable elastic band that you can like hook in or take out, and then it also has the adjustable straps in the back, so you have extra security. And you don't have to worry about it being too loose in the back. And for me, it's like the perfect fit. I don't feel like it's too loose or too, you know, or too tight even. It has like just the perfect fit, and I really like the amount of space we had in the front as well, because I didn't have to cut a lot off when it came to like doing like, you know, when it came to like cutting around my ear. I didn't have to cut a lot of the lace off, so I really like that as well. And just like, look how pretty this is. Like, I love this texture. Like I said, love how amazing they did with like plucking it, bleaching the knots. Like, I love that everything is done for you. Highly recommend this one. And I would say, as far as the lace did come with like the pre-cut lace, but I did cut some of that extra lace off because I don't like to have any lace with mine, and I think that's what just gives it a better look. So that's what we have going on here. And then I did use some foundation. I just used this e.l.f. Halo Glow foundation. I had bought this a while ago and it was like too light for me. I mean, I kind of like it. I don't know how I feel about the foundation, so I was like, well, I'll at least use it like for my unit. So that's what I did use on my lace today, and it just looks really good. Love how it came out. So if you guys are interested in this unit from YMY Hair, definitely check out the link down below. I will have a link for you guys along with all the details. If there was something that I didn't cover and you still have a question, drop a comment down below and I'll get to you guys as soon as I can. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next